I'll explain how Chime Credit Builder works, the secret behind how it reports to bureaus without a credit limit, and how the new Chime Plus features actually pay you to build your credit. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Most people are stuck in a loop. You need a good credit score to get a credit card, but you need a credit card to build a score. Chime breaks this loop because 1, they don't look at your score to approve you. 2, unlike traditional cards, you'll never pay 29% APR or a $99 yearly fee. And 3, you can only spend what you have. It is mathematically impossible to overspend and get into a debt spiral with this card. The Chime Card is a secured credit card. In a traditional card, the bank gives you a limit, say $500. With Chime, you set the limit. It works through a secured deposit account. When you move money from your Chime checking to your credit builder account, that money is held as collateral. The spending is flexible. If you put in $200, your credit limit is $200. The most important part is that Chime reports to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Every month, Chime tells the bureaus you paid your bill in full and on time. Since payment history is 35% of your FICO score, this is the fastest way to see a jump. On a normal card, if you have a $500 limit and spend $450, your score drops because your utilization is too high. Chime does not report credit utilization. According to a 2025 Experian study, the top 10% of members saw a 71-point increase within 8 months. The card has received a major facelift for 2026. This includes premium designs. You can choose the classic black, the new evergreen, or upgrade to a premium titanium finish for $50. 1.5% cash back. This is the game changer. If you have a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more, you unlock Chime Plus. This gives you unlimited 1.5% cash back on rotating categories like gas, groceries, and utilities. You are literally getting paid to build your credit. Chime isn't just a bank account anymore. It's a credit building engine. If you're tired of being denied for real cards, this is your bridge to a 700 plus score. To learn how to move your money from Chime to Credit Builder, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best finance tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.